you get the cookies from the pantry.
Morton, what do you do at 3 a.m. in the morning?
Shut up.
Guys, I'm gay.
Okay, yeah, whatever. Okay, I know that you're gay, but we're gonna be quiet. We're gonna be quiet before. Whoop. We're dead.
We're gonna have to set up several funerals. Well, at least I died gay.
Why is everybody so damn noisy?
I told you guys to stay quiet. Go to bed, or else I'll whip you in the morning.
It's good to play games. Sometimes wonder. Games are supposed to be fun, but sometimes it can be a source of friction.
Now go to bed.